students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Yes students, we have completed our chapter 3 already. You're thinking that in this video you can see there is a chapter 2. Yes, this is the chapter 2 in your practice book. Okay students, in practice book we have completed only chapter 1. So today we are going to start your practice workbook. There is a practice book of volume 1, chapter 2, Tremendous Tree. Already whatever we have done in the chapter 2 in course book, the same things will be there in this. So I am going to explain this to you. So keep concentration and listen to me and do everything in your textbook. Those students who are not having the textbook, you have to write everything in your fair notebook. So be taking the screenshot while watching the video. So let's start now. Word power, my turn 1. Read the sentences and underline the onomatopoeia words. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to read the sentences and then after reading the sentences you have to underline the onomatopoeic words. Means जो जानवरों की जो आवाज़ें होती है, साउंड्स जो होती है, उनसे रिलेटेड हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में जो शब्द है उन्हें रेखांकित करना है. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द बर्ड सैट ऑन माई विंडो sill and went chirp chirp chirp. So the answer will be chirp chirp chirp. So we will underline this. Okay, I hope you have understood. We will underline it in this way. Next question B is the cat slurped the milk in the saucer. Slurped the milk in the slurped. Please don't not slam the door. Slam. Slam. Okay. They puffed up the mountain slope. They puffed up the mountain slope. So what will be the answer, students, for this? Puffed. P-U-F-F-E-D. Puffed. Next question is. Next question. The rocket took off with a boom. Boom. Zoom in the lens for a clear picture. Zoom. The ball crashed through the window. Crashed. The twig snapped under my shoes. Snapped. The pitter-patter of the raindrops woke me up. Pitter-patter. We moaned with pain when he hit his head on the roof. Mound. Yes students, now I hope you have understood the my turn 1. In this what they have asked, you have to read the sentence and underline the onomatopoeic words. I have already explained you this. Onomatopoeia words means the formation of the word which imitates the natural sounds of a thing. Means वहाँ आवाज़ें जो प्राकृतिक रूप से किसी वस्तु से प्रकट होती है, तो उन शब्दों को हम क्या कहते हैं? ओनोमैटोफिया. Okay students, now we are going to start our my turn 2 building blocks. My turn 2. See here in this my turn 2 what they have given. Circle the odd one out, give a reason for your choice. Now you can see here in each question there are 4 options. From these 4 options what you have to do, you have to take out the odd one. Means you have to circle the odd one and then you have to give the reason for your choice, that why you have circled that word. Okay, so the first is hand, London, tree, oxygen. So what will be the answer, students? London will be the answer. So I will circle the London here. Now we have to give the answer reason for this. All the others are common noun. बाकी के जो बचे हैं वो कॉमन नाउन है, लेकिन लंदन एक जगह का नाम हुआ, तो दिस इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बी. Silver, fish, peas, nest. Peas. All the others are concrete nouns. C, money, hair, book, water. Book. All the others are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Okay, in this way you have to give the reason for your answer. Yes students, now D. Hyderabad, Chanakya, Bob and Herd. Herd I have circled here odd one out. All the others are proper noun. Okay, next mice, tooth, feet, men. Here mice is in a plural form, tooth is a singular noun, feet is a plural noun, and man is also a plural noun. So here the odd one is tooth. So we have to circle the tooth. All the others are plural nouns. Next question, F is bouquet, bunch, army, birds. See here, bouquet is also a collective noun, bunch is also a collective noun, and army is also a collective noun, but the bird is a common noun. So we have to circle the odd. So I have circled here the birds. Now let's start my turn 3 now. Fill in the blanks with the noun form of the words given below. See here students, in the box you can see they have given some words. You have to add the suffix for this words and you have to make them the noun form. Means कुछ ऐसे संज्ञा वाले रूप बनाकर हमें ये लिखने हैं, जैसे कि अगर हम suffix ऐड कर देते हैं, पॉसिबल के ITY यूज़ करते हैं तो पॉसिबिलिटी हो गया, अवेलेबल के अवेलेबिलिटी. तो हमें क्या करना है, इनके नाउन फॉर्म्स बना के लिखने हैं. सो द फर्स्ट इज the dash of food and water is an important factor in deciding the habitant. The availability of, so available will be the answer, but we have to with the noun form. With the noun form we have to write here. So availability, BILITY. Okay, in this way we have to add the suffix to the given word and then we have to write here. The B is the dash of the police has made matters worse. Involvement, INVOLVEMENT, involvement. Okay, next is continuous dash of the group activity is required to ensure everyone stays on track. Assessment, ASSESSMENT, assessment. Next, it is a common dash that games such as golf are for the rich. It is common dash. Assumption. So assume they have given here. We have to write noun form. So assumption, ASSUMPTION. Next is the judge pronounced the sentences based on the dash made available by the lawyers. Evidence, EVI. Here you can see evident. So we have to write this in a noun form. So evidence. Next is the students can express their dash using art and dance. Yes. Individual. So we will write here individuality. 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 Okay. I hope you have understood this also. Yes students, now let's see my turn 4. There are some errors in the following sentences. Means they have given you the sentences here. You have to read the sentences. If there are any mistakes, you have to correct them and rewrite the sentence again. Means आपको उन वाक्यों को सही करके फिर उन्हें दोबारा से यहाँ पे लिखना है. So the first sentence is my friend has gone to Goa for a holiday. Now we can see here everything is correct here, but the main thing is that the name of the Goa, this is the name of a place, so the first letter of the place means Goa, the name, it is a name, this is the name of a place, so it is a noun form, so G will be written in a capital. So answer we will write my friend has to Goa, G will be capital, Goa for a holiday. We have to put the full stop here. Next, second question is a fleet of flowers were kept in a vase for me. So what is the mistake here? A fleet of flowers. Here the mistake is fleet. Instead of fleet, we have to write bouquet. Now we will write here a bouquet of flowers. Instead of were, केवल एक ही तो रखा है. बुके फ्लावर्स फूल बहुत सारे होते हैं लेकिन बुके तो एक ही होता है ना. was kept. So were अगर प्लूरल फॉर्म हो तो ही. So was kept in a was for me. Next question C. My emotions are clouding my judgehood. Here the mistake is instead of judgehood there will be judgment. So my Emotions are clouding my judgment. Okay, next question number D. The transportance provided by the school was comfortable. So the answer is transportance, not transportance. We have to write the transportation. The transportation provided by the school was comfortable. Full stop. Next question E. No one can prediction the weather correctly over here. No one can prediction. Instead of prediction we have to write predict. No one can predict the weather correctly over here. Full stop. Next question F. The teacher took the attendance of the class. Attendance. This is wrong. So the teacher took the attendance of the class. Next question G. I have planted all the trees and flowers in the garden. Now see here, T is capital in trees and F is capital in flowers. They should be small letters, so we will correct them. I have planted all the trees and flowers in the garden. I am writing the garden here because there was no sufficient space. Next question H. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. No, Gateway of India क्या मुंबई में है? अब हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है, सही है ये, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया आ रहा है, गेटवे का G कैपिटल होना चाहिए, इंडिया का I. द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया is in Mumbai. Next question I. A gaggle of elephants charged towards us. We will write here a herd of elephants, not gaggle. So a herd of elephants charged towards us. Full stop. Okay. Next question J. This machine helps with the generate of power. So the answer will be this machine helps with the generation of the power. With the generation of power. Yes students, now see here my turn 5. Every year millions of liters of water is wasted due to the carelessness. हाँ, लापरवाही की वजह से हर साल क्या होता है, बहुत सारा पानी हम क्या कर देते हैं, व्यर्थ कर देते हैं ना, वेस्ट कर देते हैं. हेल्प द नेशनल वाटर बोर्ड. हमें क्या करना है, नेशनल वाटर बोर्ड की मदद करनी है. कैसे? विथ अ पोस्टर दैट टेल्स पीपल हाउ टू कंजर्व वाटर. जो किसकी मदद से हमें नेशनल वाटर बोर्ड की मदद करनी है, एक पोस्टर बना के जो लोगों को ये बताए कि कैसे पानी को बचाना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे पहले एक पोस्टर बनाना है. पोस्टर ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं जिनमें ड्राइंग्स बना के आप अच्छे से समझाओ कि क्या होने वाला है आगे, और पोस्टर ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं जिनमें आप कोई स्लोगन लिख दो. ठीक है, तो मैं जो बना सकती हूँ, वॉट आई हैव मेड, सी दैट. Yes, students, now see this. I have made this poster. Okay, I have made this poster that tells people how to conserve water. जो ये बताएगी कि कैसे हमें पानी की रक्षा करनी चाहिए. आज अगर हम पानी बचाते हैं तो हमारा आने वाला कल ऐसा होगा. लेकिन अगर हम पानी को व्यर्थ करते रहेंगे, आज तो है ऐसा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो क्या हो जाएगा, पानी कम होते 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 ऐसा हो जाएगा. मतलब हमारे पास जब पानी नहीं रहेगा तो जो गर्मी पड़ेगी उसकी वजह से हमारी पृथ्वी सूख जाएगी, पेड़ पौधे सूख जाएंगे. वी डोंट नो, इट्स ट्रू. हमें ये अच्छे से पता है कि आज नहीं तो कल ऐसा होगा, ये सच है. वर्थ अंटिल इट्स गॉन. जब हम समझेंगे इस चीज़ को तब ये सब कुछ हमारे हाथ से समय जा चुका होगा. हम उस पृथ्वी को फिर नहीं बचा पाएंगे. ऐसे हो जाएंगे सब कुछ. नीचे पेड़ पौधे जानवर जो मरे हुए होंगे ऐसे हो जाएंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है, पानी की सुरक्षा करनी है. सो सेव वाटर. ओके, बचाव करना है हमें पानी का. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस in your textbook. If you are not having the textbook, everything in your free notebook. Have a nice day.